I'm Gunjan and I scored an All India rank 390 in my NEET 2022. Welcome to Physics Valla Vidyapeeth, India's most trusted and affordable educational platforms. It's been the most toughest and rewarding phases of my life. Whether you have just started your preparation or you have faced certain setbacks along the way, I need you to know that there's always a way forward. I hope that my story will definitely inspire you. So let me take you through my journey from the beginning all the way to when I scored 690 marks in NEET 2022 and secured a seat at VMMC and Safdarjung. It wasn't a straight path, but each mistake and failure taught me something that ultimately led to my success. Chapter 1, The Beginning, a humble start. I still remember the day when I gave my NEET 2021 and it was my first serious attempt and I had prepared so hard for that day. I studied day and night. I didn't even attend any family function. I sacrificed all of my fun activities for this exam. But when the results came in, I was so devastated because I scored only 569 marks, which was way below my expectations. I had so many hopes for that day, but I felt like everything was finished in that single moment. That was one of the hardest phases of my life. I sat down with my parents and my teachers. We had an honest conversation, and of course, they were also disappointed. We discussed my struggles both mentally and academically, and we decided that I will go for a new attempt. That was the time when I decided that I will give this exam again. I will go to my dream medical college. Chapter 2, Rebuilding, a completely new strategy. So I knew I needed a new approach that could also build a very strong mental foundation for me. I started daily conversations with my parents, my teachers, and I also started incorporating mindfulness into my daily activities. I started meditating just before my study sessions every morning to stay calm. Whenever I felt that my day is not going so productive, I used to do journaling so that I could control my emotions. It really helped me a lot. It helped me to stay focused and calm during my preparation as well as during my mock tests. So when I was preparing for NEET 2022, and I completely changed my mindset, and believe me, this mindset made all the difference. Chapter 3, The Prep, a strategic approach. So one of the biggest lessons that I learned from my failed attempt was that I wasn't very effectively using my time. I had tried to cover everything at once and I hadn't prioritized anything. So this time I made a completely new approach, a completely new strategy. I prioritized the high weightage areas from where the questions were frequently asked. I took a look at NEET previous year questions and understood that what NEET pattern is. So from there, I figured out all the high weightage areas from all the 3 chapters. In biology, the high weightage areas were ecology, human physiology, and genetics. So I worked more upon them. In chemistry, I revised and re-revised the formula sheets for physical chemistry and organic chemistry. And for physics, I knew physics was my toughest part, and in NEET 2021, I scored just 80 marks in physics out of 180. I first needed to have a strong foundation and I needed to clear my fundamentals. So I started by reading NCERT physics. After that, I solved all the previous year questions so that I can get a sense of pattern of how NEET exams are coming. And the one thing that actually changed my preparation was one-shot videos from Alak Pandey sir that changed my way of thinking and my way of application of those formulas. One big mistake that I was doing in my last attempt was that I was being too hard on myself. So this time I completely changed my approach. I stopped comparing myself with others. I just focused on my personal growth. I made a realistic timetable. I made a short to-do list for each day. And when I used to complete that, I celebrated that with a win. I used to eat a chocolate or something like that. Chapter 4, The Breakthrough, Embracing the Journey. So one of the important changes that I made this time was that I treated every mock test like real NEET exam, which I didn't do during my first attempt. So this time I treated every mock test as my real exam test so that I learned how to manage time and how to get used to that pressure. Also, I used to do a post mock test analysis in which I used to see where my maximum marks are getting deducted, where I need to improve more. So I used to go back to the basics, I used to get my fundamentals clear, and then by solving questions, I used to make that chapter even more stronger. So I started practicing mindfulness before every mock test. And let me tell you, it actually worked. My score started improving, and it was for the first time that I scored 700 marks in my mock test. And that was the breakthrough moment for me. Chapter 5, the final push, consistency and focus. So as the exam date approached, I knew that it wasn't the time to slack off. So I strictly stuck to my schedule and my to-do list. So every morning I used to review my to-do list and review my week topics. Also, I made sure that I would take short breaks in between my study sessions so that I stay refreshed and to avoid burnout. I also kept a mistake notebook where I always noted down my errors and my mistakes which I used to do in my mock test or the NEET previous year papers, and I used to revise them on alternate mock test days so that I do not repeat those mistakes and to track my progress. And the most important thing I did during this phase was to stay consistent and stay focused. And I focused only on myself, not on anyone else. I stopped comparing myself with others. Chapter 6, the exam day. Full focus mode. So finally, that big day arrived. I was quite nervous but excited at the same time. But this time I was confident that I had given 1 year of my preparation to this exam, and this time I am definitely going to make it. So while I was going to the exam hall, I reminded myself again that I can do this, I will do it, and I reminded myself to stay calm. So I followed the same approach I used to do in my mock test. I read all the questions very carefully. I marked all the keywords stating correct, incorrect, true or false statements, and I took time. I revised my exam multiple times, and while filling OMR, I was super careful this time. And when the results came out, I couldn't believe that I had scored 690 marks, and also I got a seat at BMMC and Safdarjung. Conclusion, the journey continues. So this journey was definitely not easy. There were moments of fear, anxiety, frustration and confusion, but each and every mistake and failure taught me something, and every success pushed me closer to my goal. And if you are reading this, I want you to know that you can do this too. But all you have to do is learn from these mistakes and not repeat them. As long as you keep moving forward, you are closer to your destination. Thank you for watching, and I hope my story inspired you and gave you that little boost or motivation that you need to keep pushing forward. And I'm sure you will make it. So all the very best, and see you in the next video.